Greetings, everyone. This is Tony Wicks, founder and creator of drwickdaddy.com. I'm here to talk with you about an app called Nexo. I'm recommending this app for a couple of reasons. I'll only delve into one on this video. I'm going to log into my account and I'm going to show you why I'm recommending this to you. This wallet platform, and this is cryptocurrency wallet, it has the ability for you to set up an instant crypto credit line, and the interest rate is 0% as long as you do not borrow more than 20% of your crypto value. So let's say that you have $100 in crypto. You can borrow up to $20 at 0% interest. If you have $1,000 in crypto, you can borrow up to $200 at 0% interest. Now, you can borrow even more, but then you're looking at an interest rate attached to your loan if you go beyond 20% of your crypto value. So I'm going to have a link in the description. I want you to set up your account. It is free of charge. You do not have to fund your crypto account, but set it up, and then ultimately you want to fund it so that you can benefit from the interest rate. Now, when I say interest rate, I'm not talking about borrowing. Nexo pays you interest just for having your crypto in their wallet. Coinbase does not pay you interest. It's very popular, but they do not pay interest. If you're going to have crypto, because it fluctuates so much, it's in your best interest to have it on a platform that has a wallet that pays you interest daily just for having your crypto in that wallet. And they do pay interest daily. And I've got a few deposits that are showing here, but I just wanted you to see this because, again, this is a way for you to diversify your portfolio without spending a lot of money. And there is no spending with crypto because you are purchasing cryptocurrency. So click on the link in the description, set up your Nexo wallet, and we'll see you on the next video so we can learn more about the Nexo platform. Have a great day. God bless.